Here's another example of Part A, a justification, which goes through what are the numeracies, literacies and ICTs that a student would need to know to successfully complete this task, and it's forecasting what they're going to put into their website. So let's go through. Here's the introduction about the role of general capabilities, and this is a primary example in this instance. So it's got headings, graphics and information, and using all the report format advantages. It's got a CARA mentioned, and here we go. So it goes to the wheel and then talks about visual knowledge, and says in the website, and the students will be able to have to know interpreting images, ask questions and so on for their visual knowledge. Text knowledge is, here's the information that is needed to write their scientific report, and the website will have information about that. But it's not so much the website, it's about unpacking for you as a teacher to identify the areas you'll need to cover within those various areas. In terms of grammar, for example, what grammar do we need to do in a scientific report? It talks about punctuation, sentence structure, past tense, and the formal opinion forms part of the informational report that is required. So it does a similar pattern for numeracy. It goes through the various areas of numeracy and ICTs that are there. So it covers them in a logical way, and it unpacks each element, and it's got some appropriate references that are there. So what does that look like in terms of the marking rubric that we're doing? I'm looking for, have you identified the literacy elements, the numeracy elements, the ICT elements? Have you given me some general understanding of the general capabilities, and are communicating well, in particular with regard to referencing, etc. So it ticks all the boxes in what is required in task 3A.